Welcome, contestant number 6.
Ano?
Okay? For your question, contestant number 6. Ano sa tingin mo ang pinakamagandang parte ng iyong katawan at back?
Oh my god, that's a very difficult question. But I think that is the most easiest part. Hard. For me, the 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 part of my body that I admire most is my ano ba tawag dito? Bakit ano yung
Size?
Hindi, ano na yung puwit?
House!
Ha?
Butt?
But, okay, the most important part of my body is my butt. Because some people says that my body is very beautiful. And I believe that God created this for me in order for me to attract different kind of people and also to inspire those women who haven't that and if you would come up to my